John Lomax here with Chad Vogelsong in the JVC mobile booth. Got some hot new products this year, Chad. Tell us a little bit about, one, the new JVC mobile company and some of the new products that you guys have coming out.
Well, JVC, we became our own company in April of last year. We broke off of JVC Americas Corp. One of the reasons for that was we wanted a younger, hipper image because of the demographic, and also the dealer network is a lot different than people that sell camcorders and televisions. So acting kind of like a startup this year, so things have been new and exciting and different and very kind of edgy compared. I mean, the one thing, we're wearing jeans in our booth, you know what I mean? It hasn't happened for JVC in the past. Complete new booth here at CES, new products, new look, new image, new everything.
Absolutely. You're definitely generating some excitement here in the mobile electronics arena, not only with the new image, the new company, but with some hot new products with some of the things people are looking for, connectivity being one of them. Tell us about these hot new nav units in the single DIN format.
Oh, most definitely. Navigation obviously is a growing business category in the mobile realm. And we decided to, instead of investigate the double DIN solution this year because of the limited amount of applications for cars, you know, it's a growing application every year, but single DIN still owns the market. So we came out with the NX5000, which is a single DIN hard drive based navigation piece. It's got 24 gig for the navigation side of it, and it's got 14 gig as an internal music server for MP3s, waves, and things like that.
Fantastic. So you could rip your own DVDs, you could transfer files from USB.
Everything is done by disk. No USB on this piece, although we do have USB connectivity through our line. Everything's done by disk. You load it through the front and it stores it on the hard drive.
That's fantastic, man. So you don't have to worry about your CDs sitting in the car getting scratched up. You just load them into the hard drive once and forget about it. You got your whole music library right there. Man, one thing I was really impressed with is the clarity on this screen. Tell us a little bit about the navigation side of this unit.
Well, the clarity on the screen, every year we get better and better with the quality of the LCDs. It is a very beautiful display, very clear. The navigation piece has 13 million points of interest. It is WAAS compatible. It does have as far as I know, the first built-in RDS TMC tuner. Obviously there's a subscription for that, but it does allow you to get around traffic and redirect you when there is traffic. The music server part of it, again, you load it through disks. You can put videos in there. You can put down compressed audio. You can also hook this up to an iPod with an iPod adapter. It is Bluetooth ready. You can hook it up with a Bluetooth adapter. So there's a lot of way to get your music into this radio.
Fantastic. And some of the neat features about your Bluetooth technology that I've seen on this unit was if you bring up a restaurant in the POI, it gives you the choice to call that restaurant maybe to get, reservations or get more information about their hours. And the text messaging on your Bluetooth, that's a really cool and I think a market first.
It's a very, very cool feature. I mean, the fact that you can stream audio, which a lot of people can do, and also the fact that it holds 5,000 phone numbers in your contacts and it syncs with your phone automatically, but the text messaging is different. We're kidding around about it here because, if you're driving around in your car with your wife or your girlfriend and you get a text from somebody you don't want, well, it's on the display. But unfortunately, that's technology for you, right?
I hear you, man. And I know I get a lot of text messages, and looking at that little text screen while you're driving, not necessarily a good idea, but you guys definitely have a good solution for that. Tell us a little bit about the price points for these two units.
The NX5000 is going to retail for $999, which again is a very aggressive price point. A lot of the double DIN solutions out there, are over $1,000. So a $999 price point with the hard drive, with the very extensive navigation system. This is not a stripped down turn-by-turn navigation system by any means. It's a full-featured navigation piece.
I mean, when you look at the cost of a portable navigation unit for somebody that's got a single DIN application, get a high-end head unit and a portable nav piece, you're talking well over that price point. For that $999, you're getting it both in one place, man. That's an excellent price point. What else can we expect from JVC Mobile coming up in the near future?
A lot of great stuff, a lot of great promotions. We have a sponsorship of the Jägermeister NHRA drag team this year as far as promotions. We've linked up with Lotus for promotion. We've also linked up with Tony Bon Jovi, who is John Bon Jovi's uncle, for a special chip that we have in radios that are being sold to our car dealership business through Expeditors. So lots of cool stuff going on at JVC right now.
Fantastic. A continuation of the Arsenal line, of course, for the independent retailer.
Yeah, we're actually increasing the Arsenal line. In the past, it was just a basic head unit line. We've added a video piece to that head unit line. We've also added component speakers. We've added coaxial speakers, we've added subwoofers, we've added amplifiers, all with 2-year warranties. One of the unique things about our speakers this year is they're 10% hemp. We have hemp cone speakers in our line this year.
So definitely an eco-friendly selling point, and also hemp's a great fiber. I mean, it really does reinforce things. They've been using it for like 4,000 or 5,000 years. So, definitely a good fiber to put in those. And some of them are, of course, you have the glass reinforced, the Kevlar reinforced. So, big line for Arsenal this year in subwoofers.
Yeah, most definitely. And we also have 2 or 3 patent pendings on these speakers, which is kind of an amazing thing to do in 2007. Speakers have been made for a long time, and we're not necessarily known for our speakers, but we can still make them better.
Fantastic. Well, good to talk to you again, Chad, and best of luck with JVC and all these hot products.
Most definitely. Thank you.
This is John Lomax here with Chad Vogelsong in the JVC mobile booth right here, CES 2007, Las Vegas, Nevada.